Good morning. Happy Sunday. I'm going to show you how to log into Lincoln Learning today, which is what your child will be completing at home when they are not in school. So at the top of the Chromebook screen, there should be a bookmark here that says Lincoln Learning. If you click on that bookmark, hopefully there's a blue dot here, a blue tab here. If they click on that, it should take them right to their home screen. If for some reason there is not the Lincoln Learning tab, if it went away for somehow, or if it doesn't seem to be working, I'm going to show you else how to get there. If you go to the South New York County School District website and scroll down to Student Portal and then to Lincoln Learning, go to sign in, and then you'll put their username in. Their username is their lunch number followed by an S at student.sycsd.org. I would recommend copying this because you're going to use it again in just a moment. And then click login. Again, this screen will pop up. You'll type in their username again, which is their lunch number, followed by an S at student.sycsd.org. Their password is their lunch number, followed by an S. And then click sign in. And you should be then at the home screen. I'm going to walk you through their lessons that they're going to be completing this week. You see a bunch of different subjects. The only subjects you're looking at today and this week are English Language Arts and Mathematics. So let's look at English Language Arts first. You'll see that there's one folder, this will come up like this, Hard Work and Determination. Lesson 1. Each day your child will complete one lesson. Even though there's 5 open, that's because that's going to be their week's worth of work. But each day is only worth one lesson. So click Lesson 1, and you'll see there's different tabs here, different activities. The Teach It is always a video that shows the student what they're going to be learning about. So I'm going to click on that. I watch the video. And then when I'm finished with whatever's on the screen, I scroll all the way down and just click on this next activity link. Here it'll tell you if you have any materials that you might need. You'll read through this. They can click through each tab here. Here's another activity. Answer the question. I'm finished with the page. I scroll down, click Next Activity. Okay, if you ever see in materials that say worksheet, in your child's take-home folder is a packet of a math worksheets and a packet of ELA worksheets. Please see that packet if you ever need paper that they might need to use. So if you scroll down, here's another activity, but if you scroll down, you'll see it looks like a worksheet. That worksheet is printed and it's in their take-home folder for them. When they're finished with that activity, scroll down, hit Next Activity. Scroll down, Next Activity. Here's the video, watch the video, scroll down, Next Activity. Again, here's a worksheet, so that must mean that it is printed for me already and it's in their packet in their take-home folder. And it would be labeled with Lesson 1 and it would say Practice It at the top. Okay, as you can see, I now see Lesson 2 activities. I need to stop. I do not need to go any farther. So Lesson 1 is completed, and that's all I need to do for English Language Arts for today. When I am finished with the lessons though, as you can see, there's a green check mark. That's because I completed that portion. But once I do all the activities, they will turn like a green check mark there. But since I'm not doing them right now, I'm just showing you, that's why they don't have a check mark. To get back to the home screen, you click on these 3 lines, the menu, and then the home button. Now Mathematics I click on. There's a welcome video. Again, here's the folder, add and subtract within 20. Lesson 1, I only do 1 lesson a day. Click on the first thing, watch the video, scroll down, next activity. There's some problems for them to look at. And I also sent home with your child a math toolkit where there is a worksheet in there that has a 10 frame, a number line, and the back you can use as a whiteboard. There's different things in there to help them solve these math problems. Scroll down once they've finished. Next activity. This is a play it, so it's a game that they can play. Scroll down when they're finished. Next activity. This looks like a worksheet right here. So in my child's take-home folder, there is a worksheet that goes along with it. Here's an answer key for the parents to check and make sure that their child's work is correct. Scroll down, next activity. Again, this looks like a worksheet. So in my child's take-home folder would be that worksheet that goes along with it. It would say lesson 1, show it. Next activity. And here's the answer key that goes along with it for you to check at home. Next activity. Oh, I'm back at the beginning. I see lesson 2. I am finished. I can hit my back arrow and I am done with my math lesson for today. And I hit the home button again. So your child is required to complete 1 math lesson and 1 ELA lesson this week. On Wednesday, we will have a morning meeting at 9 o'clock. To get to the morning meeting, you click on announcements and then click on this link right here. I'm going to open it up in a new tab. That way it doesn't change my screen. And you will see a link. Hello. You will see a link for morning meeting. Back to the home page, and I am finished. Every week I will be sending home. On Fridays, Group B will get their newsletter. On Mondays, Group A will get their newsletter. So this is Group A. As you can see, they're in school Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, they are on morning meeting. They need to complete lesson 3 in ELA and lesson 4 in math. On Thursday, they should do lesson 4. I said lesson 4. Lesson 3 in math. On Thursday, they should complete lesson 4 in ELA and lesson 4 in math. On Friday, lesson 5 in ELA and lesson 5 in math. Here's a reminder how to get to morning meeting. Remember, all worksheets that are along with Lincoln Learning are in their take-home folder. Specials and any days to remember. If you scroll down and you're in Group B, on Monday, you're doing lesson 1 for ELA and lesson 1 for math. On Tuesday, lesson 2 and lesson 2. On Wednesday, I'll see you all at morning meeting, and you're doing lesson 3 for ELA and lesson 3 for math. Thursday and Friday, you do not need to complete a lesson because you are in school with me, and we will complete it there together. Again, here's how to join a morning meeting. All worksheets are in their take-home folder. Here are your specials and dates to remember. I hope that is helpful. If you do not know your child's lunch number, please email me as soon as possible because I will not be able to email you at certain points throughout the day because obviously I have students with me. So please email me as soon as possible if you do not know your child's login number. Most of them know their number. They are really used to it. It's the same number that they use to log into the computers since kindergarten. So please let me know if there's anything else I can do to help you, and let's have a great first full week. See you guys.